Hi, this is Marilee from the CompletePianist.com. Workbook 1 Theory section. We'll be covering the musical alphabet, dynamics, notes and rests, and the grandstaff. The musical alphabet. In music, we only use the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So go ahead and look to the left side of your keyboard. Those are the low notes. The lowest note of the piano is A, and the next note is B, and it continues on through the alphabet. C, D, E, F, G. After G, it starts over with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and continues on up to the top of the piano to the highest notes. Exercise 1, start on the lowest notes and play and say each letter as you go. Notice there are groups of 2 keys and 3 black keys. These help you know which notes you are playing. If I were to cover the black keys with my arm, all the white keys would look the same. These black keys help us to find these notes. Here's a fun way to memorize the name of the notes on the keyboard. We'll call the groups of 2 black keys the doghouse, and we will call the groups of 3 black keys Grandpa's house. These black keys are the roof to our houses. This doghouse is called the doghouse because D inside of the roof is for dog. C for cat is outside of the doghouse, and E for elephant is on the other side of the doghouse. Here's Grandpa's house. We have the front door, F is for front door, then G is for Grandpa under the roof, A is for ants, there's ants crawling through his house, and we hope they go out the back door. B is for back door. As an exercise, go ahead and play all of the A's. A for ants, A, and as you play those letters, say the letter out loud to help it instill it to your brain. B, 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 B. C, 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 C. And you can say D for dog, D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E, E, E. And continue on through the alphabet. Also do the same with the 2 black keys and the 3 black keys. I will introduce to you some basic notes. This note gets 1 beat. It is called the quarter note and also called ta because it only takes 1 beat to say ta. So we sometimes call it ta. This is half note and it gets 2 beats. And this is the dotted half note, and we say half note dot because it takes 3 beats to say half note dot. This is the whole note, and we also call it great big whole note. It gets 4 beats. Here are the basic rests. This is the quarter rest, goes with the quarter note, gets 1 beat. When we're counting, we would just say rest for one beat. This is the half rest, sometimes called hat rest, because if you draw a little circle underneath it, it looks like a hat. It's worth 2 beats. This is the whole rest. We can call it great big whole rest for 4 counts. I like to draw a picture of a man walking along the road, and he's walking and he falls in the hole, and that will help you remember that it is a whole rest. Dynamics is the volume at which we play our music. We will be learning the 2 main, forte and piano. Forte means to play loudly, and piano means to play softly. So as an exercise, sit at your piano and play some loud things, and then play some soft. Here I will introduce to you the grandstaff and notes on the grandstaff. There are two staves as part of the grandstaff. They are connected with a brace. This is called the brace. On the top, this is the treble clef. You play your right hand with these notes. This is the bass clef, and that will be your left hand. These are line notes because the line is going through the note's tummy. These notes are space notes. They are in between the two lines, so we call them space notes. This is a bar line, and this is a double bar line, the end. Double bar line means it's the end of a song. Two dots right here is called a repeat sign. That means go back to the beginning and repeat it. So you'd play it twice. There are two measures on this line. A measure is a space between the two lines. Here is a time signature. This is the most common time signature. 4/4, it means 4 beats per measure. Here's an example: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have any questions or would like to download any of the free material, go to thecompletepianist.com.